The fourth theme is, in my opinion, the most important one: treating data as the center of your universe. Think about it for a minute. Data affects every business process and decision made in your company. You create it, manage it, consume it, share it with trading partners, and covet it when you believe it will give you a competitive advantage. Yet so much data today is held hostage by the systems that created it that it is incapable of being managed effectively. Application system providers have no incentive to standardize on data policies and standards. By making their structures an important part of their system, you get tied into their way of doing things. Take SAP, for example. Not only do their proprietary applications make it virtually impossible to share information with other applications, their business warehouse is so proprietary that extracting data out of it is difficult and time-consuming for any purpose. As a result, thousands of customers are stuck with their SAP systems today. There's a new breed of disruptive technologies that give you an opportunity to make data the center of your universe. Many companies are seriously considering not replacing core transaction systems and slicing off different application functionality using SaaS-based applications. Because they're SaaS-based, the data formats are fairly rudimentary, but that actually makes it easier to master data and govern it for use with other business processes or decision support systems. Over time, application systems will become a less and less vital component of the IT infrastructure. Mobile and cloud-based apps will dominate the IT agenda because this is where the disruptive technology will emerge to improve business processes and decision-making. The need for better data management is driving a policy-centric view across the enterprise. Think about this. Your company today has policies and standards for lots of different functions: HR, finance, and supply chain, to name a few, all with the goal of providing a defining framework in which to operate. Why shouldn't you have policies for data? Well, the fact is you should, but few companies do. By defining policies for data, you can begin the process of managing data as the center of your universe instead of as a byproduct of your transaction systems. Your business processes use data from multiple systems to be effective. Shouldn't you have a policy for how customer, product, or location data is defined? Shouldn't that be managed in one central place instead of in each system by different people? By managing data as a shared enterprise asset, you can establish the critical core that all applications can use to consume or produce data. And these are the same types of policies that have governed systems management, network management, application development, just to name a few. So why do so many people find doing the same thing with data so difficult? Well, it's pretty simple, really. Data governance is as challenging as business process reengineering because the data supports the business processes and crosses every department in the company. That means there are significant organizational and behavioral issues that need to be addressed in order for governance to be effective. But it can be, and the benefits can be astounding. One of our customers reduced their data under management by over 75% by managing data as a shared asset. Another used better data management to control their costs in a tough economy. Both have prospered. As you think about managing data as the center of your universe, keep these three things in mind. First, understand your data and its value to your company. Not all data has to be governed, just the data that plays the most critical role in creating business value. Second, approach governance like any other business process. Involve everyone in the effort that is affected. And third, engage the business process owners as the executive sponsors, as they will be the primary beneficiary of your efforts. With their support, you'll get the team to buy in and collaborate. Kaleido enables companies to manage data as a shared enterprise asset by supporting the business process of data management. Unlike traditional approaches which treat the symptoms of bad data, Kaleido targets the root cause by keeping bad data from infecting the business environment. The outcome is better data to improve business performance.